Okay, today we're looking at the S&P 500, and this is the square of the low. We take the low of 1994, start drawing Gann lines up from zero. You can see you got resistance here, you got support here, resistance here. The other thing to pay attention to, where the Gann line crosses the level of the low in time, normally you get a change in trend. So you had a lower high here, you had a high here, and presumably over here in 2019 there'll be a turn sometime in June. So keep that in mind. Also note that this could be a high here now on a zero line. We don't know for sure, but it's possible. There's also resistance at 24.25 on the square of 90. From this low, we mark 900 points, or 10 points per week. Square of 90, 90 times 10 gives you 1975. Another 900 points gives you 2875. Halfway through the second square up in price is 2425, which is pretty close to where we're at right now. That could be resistance. We also, at the same level, we have 2426 on the static square of 9 is a 360-degree line. That's major resistance. If we close above that, you'll get a blow-off rally, which could take you all the way to 2526, which is a 180-degree line, maybe even higher. But a blow-off rally, by definition, is not going to last very long. We suspect you might rally quickly to 2526 by June 21st, the summer solstice, and then that would be the high. But it's not guaranteed that you'll get that blow-off rally. You could be forming a top here now. And if it does start to sell off, note there's reason to worry. You have price forming a higher high. At the same time, RSI is forming a lower high. And then you have a 30 trading day cycle due on Monday, May 29th. Since Monday's a holiday, we'll look to Tuesday for that price action. You could see RSI and price turning down next Tuesday, right after Memorial Day weekend. So keep those ideas in mind, and note if it does start to sell off, we'll look to static square 9 support at 2353. If you get below that, you're probably starting a correction. Or if you get below 180-degree line at 2329, you're definitely starting a correction.